Good evening everyone and welcome to Indus Business School. Today we have with us Mr. Jasneet Singh Bindra, Country Head CISI. A very warm welcome to you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Sir, today you came for the interaction with the students, PGTM students, first year, and there were certain certifications which you were talking of and the avenues that they have in the finance domain. So, sir, could you please share some insights about these certifications to the audience out here?
Sure. So basically the institute which I represent, CISI, we are bridging the gap between industry and academics. What is happening is financial services as an industry is ever evolving. A new regulation comes in the market picture, almost every day. But you can't update your syllabuses in colleges, so frequently. That is where we, along with the support of our volunteers who work with a lot of these international banks like Goldman's, JP Morgan, they come together and they tell us that this is what is happening in the industry. Please incorporate it as part of your curriculum. And our team sitting in London puts that together and offers it to the students. So that when the students gets, graduates or postgraduates, they have a dual specialization with them. One is their regular college degree and one which is professional, which helps them get better job opportunities with the corporates.
Okay, so is there any duration for completing of the certifications?
Yes, we have more than 80 certifications to offer. It ranges from front office, middle office to back office. Depending on the area of interest of the students, they choose. For example, if a student is interested in front office, they can offer wealth management, they can offer corporate finance, capital market. If they're interested in middle office, there are risk and compliance modules. And if they're interested in operations, we have a lot of investment banking operation modules, which are more into asset servicing, reconciliation, derivative operations, and those areas. So it's more like a modular approach that we offer here.
So you're catering to the needs.
Exactly, yeah.
So one more thing, sir, since you have an experience, so what learnings or takeaways can the students get from you as an experience and rich experience?
It's difficult to sum that up in 10 seconds, but I'll try to do that. One thing is students should understand that the learning does not stop the moment they step out of this campus. I completed my MBA in 2009. I think I'm studying more now because when I interact with my clients, I should be knowing what is happening in the markets right now. For that, I have to update myself. So we believe in the concept of continuous professional development. And that's what I would suggest to students also. Learning never stops. Learn, unlearn, relearn. That as a concept you should always remember.
Absolutely, I totally agree with that. And it's not about the students, it's for us also, and every human for that
Everyone,
matter.
yes.
So thank you so much. It was a pleasure and a privilege to have you here with us today.
Absolute pleasure to be here. Thank you so much.
Thank you.